That's never a good sound. Gee, Merry Christmas. All right. God, I hope I can get these turned out. The back side of that one is just trash. You can see the pad's gone, completely gone. And it's almost completely gone on that side. But yeah, I got them ripped off here. Let's see if I can get a hold of my buddy and see if he can turn those. I don't know. I may have to buy new rotors. That's why I put her in the garage, because she may be parked for a minute. All right, I just got my rotors back from the machine shop. Had them turned down, saved me $100 and something, cost me maybe 20. Those pads were completely wore out. So, nice and smooth. It's probably the last time I'll be able to do that. But let me get this disc brake quiet stuff on the back of these pads so I don't hear that scraping noise. All right, now painting them up with the disc brake quiet stuff. I gotta let it dry, and then I'll start putting everything back together. Now it's break time. All right, well, I just got back from my little test drive, and I got no squeaks, no grabs, no pulls. I seated the pads as best I know how, and I think it's gonna work. Stops real good. All right. Brakes, the front brakes on the Caprice are done. I'll have to do the rear ones later.